Let's vacuum and clean our pool to this with this product from Amazon. Let's take a look at what it costs and what's included with this vacuum. Now let's take a look in real time to see how long it took me to assemble it. So the package did not include any instructions, but it was pretty easy to figure out where each part goes. And now that we are done assembling it, thread the connector to a standard watering hose. I will turn on the water before submerging it so you can see how it actually works. By running the water upwards through the housing, it creates a suction underneath that is able to pick up big or small particles such as bugs and leaves. The mesh bag that comes with the vacuum is inadequate to capture smaller, finer debris, so I added a sock. You can use something like a microfiber glove, which will be better at trapping smaller particles. After running it for about 10 minutes, I opened the bag to see what's inside. I'm not surprised to see some leaves and bugs, but I was surprised at how well it works by vacuuming up the sand. Some of the sand that was trapped inside my son's life jacket from a trip to Hawaii. I didn't think it was going to suck up the large size sands, but it did really good. Now we can rinse and repeat. Some of the Amazon reviews for this product is that the mesh bag wouldn't tie well and that it keeps coming off. I didn't have that issue, probably because I was using it with the sock and it stayed on pretty well. Another complaint about this product was that the pole was way too short. I just extended the pole by adding the detachable pole to the net that comes with the best way pull. I didn't even have to use tape or anything to hold them together. I just pushed them snug. I spent the next 20 minutes vacuuming, making sure to go slow and steady. I removed and cleaned the mesh and the socks a total of 3 times. Overall, I think this product worked great, super easy to assemble and no tools needed. It's not intimidating to use because you don't have to disconnect or reconnect hoses from your pool pump or filter. My suggestion is to use it when your water level is low or you need to add water anyways, otherwise you run the risk of overflowing your pool. If you guys want to check out the vacuum, I'll leave a link below. Also, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe because I have a couple of pool accessory videos coming up real soon. Thank you for watching and see you next time.